Hello guys. So this is my voice. I wanted to do a voice reveal because Yuri did one. I'm probably gonna sound like a baby when I look back at this. I'm gonna be like, "Hi guys, it's me, Sophia." Oh my god. Okay, anyways, so yeah, my voice reveal. And yeah. I don't know what else to say. Thank you for 200 subscribers. Thank y'all so much actually. And also I saw Ion, I think that's how I say his name. I don't know. But he said to subscribe to me. You don't need to. It's all fine. I handled it. I won't be saying what it is though, but I handled it. So yeah. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you later, Kit Kats, in the next video or short. Bye. Let me wave bye. Where is the bro? Hello? Did I skip it? Bye.